Stay tuned for big cooking coming up. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, ready for the rice now. Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Right here, so we got some bean here. Bean with some gungo in here. Already shelled. Guys, the bean start going all the way up in the cherry tree, guys. So I have to pop down some of it. Yeah, got some round red peas here. Yardman style. That's pretty down, guys. Yeah, so the food very nice like it. Now bush now I'm getting some fire stick. Stay tuned for big cooking coming up. Yeah, that is it. I already catch a fire already. Pop. So now I'm gonna light it. I make some of the fire go down and we have more coals. Then I put on the peas pot. In the meantime, I'll get some coconut blending. Meantime, fire catch on. Got a whole of dry coconut dice already. So meantime, the fire catch. Yeah, I get this coconut blend up here. The food gonna be so delicious. People fully blend up now. Real natural coconut milk. That is it, look at it. Yeah, so we got all these peas on the fire now. Right there. I got the coconut josh, I'm gonna throw it beside the plantain root. Yeah. Keep the plantain bearing. Coconut milk already in the pot already. Yeah, I got some rice here, so ready to wash and throw in the pot. Yes guys, peas partly cook already. Yeah, ready for the rice now. That is it. Look at that. That little stir. Yeah, ready for the rice guys. Peas fully cooked. Coconut bubbling. Nice now. Yeah, give it a little stir though guys. Yeah, let that simmer down about 20 minutes time. Come check on it. Yeah, we got some meat here, so fully seasoned. Already cut up. Season some turmeric, blended turmeric with ginger and onion and scallion. Yeah, it's fully seasoned already. Yeah, we're going to dice up some carrot and Irish in it too. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, the rice almost cooked now. Let's take a check on it. Yeah, that is it. Beautiful. Almost finished. Yeah, look at that. Rich with coconut milk, guys. Yeah, man, yummy. That is it. Yeah, man, I'll give that about 10 more minutes, guys. Yes, people, look at that. Bubbling. That is it, my people. Yeah, fully cooked. Yeah, time to get it off now. Yes, my people. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Now the frying pot is on the fire. Yeah, I got some natural coconut oil here. Fire is blazing, guys. I'm going to fry up my turmeric chicken now. I'm going to take out all of them. That is it. So look what we have here now. As soon as the chicken fried up, we're going to throw this in the pot and cook it down with it. Cut up all these vegetables on it. Yeah, let's put one piece and let's try. Yeah. Whoa, fire blazing up. Look at that. Like up the video, guys. That is it. Yeah man, Yardman TV, guys. Subscribe to the channel, okay? Natural curry chicken. If I get it golden brown. Started to burn now. Now we're gonna add the carrot. That is it. Look at it. Beautiful. Just checking the pot. Get time to add our natural season. Yeah, give it a little stir. Add the coconut milk now. Let that simmer for about 20 minutes, then we'll check back on it. Okay guys, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, meat fully cooked, my people. Time to get it off the fire now. Look at that. Yeah man, beautiful. We have some rice here. We have chicken here. Time to share and eat now. Tune in to the next one. Okay guys. I'm not gonna show you when I'm eating now. Yeah, but you can take a look at this. Yeah, look at that.